This is a piano tutorial for the song Can You Feel the Love Tonight from The Lion King. Beautiful ballad. This one is in the key of E flat, which is a little bit more advanced. There are two, it's in the key of B flat. It starts with an E flat chord, which is kind of different. It has two flats in it, B flat and E flat. I'll show you the melody first, and you've got to watch out for those two notes. B and E are flatted. So you're starting with your thumb on G. And then it repeats. Same thing. Then you put your fifth finger there, and the best thing to do would probably just lift your finger up and your wrist up and just move it up to this E flat. And then it repeats again with your thumb there. So you got to go up to your fifth finger there. Fifth finger on E flat. And you put your thumb here. Goes up an octave to that fifth finger there. And you got to stretch your finger here. 1, 2, 5. E flat there. Put your thumb on G again. Fifth finger. Fifth finger on E flat. And that repeats. Fifth finger. Lift your finger up, put your fifth finger. So it's a little different there. You put your fourth finger on that D and then lift your wrist up and put your fifth finger on that B flat. So you can get down to that E flat. So 1, 2, 5 like that again. Fifth finger. So a beautiful melody, not really too much to be worried about with the fingering there, but watch that. Then the chords, your first chord is E flat. That's an E flat, G, and B flat. And that's a B flat chord, and that's how you're going to want to play it. You want D on the bottom there, so it's D, F, and B flat. E flat again, E flat, G, and B flat. Like that, D, F, B flat, E flat again, B flat again, C minor, C, E flat, and G, and then you go to F like that, C, F, and A. E flat again, B flat there, E flat again, G minor, and I would play it like that, G, B flat, and D. And that's an A flat chord, E flat, A flat, and C. And then F there, F, A, C like that. B flat, F, B flat, and D. G, B flat, that's a pretty quick change there in that measure. It's kind of going up from each chord: C minor, B flat, E flat, C, F. B flat again, F, B flat and D, F, G minor, G, B flat, D, E flat again, E flat, C, E, G, B, C like that, F there, and then you have another E flat, same kind of thing you did before. C minor, C, E flat, G, B flat, D, F, B flat, E flat, flat G, and B flat, F. There's the E flat there, which goes to B flat. So that's the chords. This is a little bit of a tricky song, so you're going to have to take quite a bit of time to get the hands along before you put it together, but this is what it sounds like when you're all done here.